Has your AC stopped working or works intermittently and got you thinking not another expensive trip to the mechanic? Don't sweat it just yet.
Okay, this is a 2010 Civic with an AC issue. What's happening here is the AC works for a while, and then once the car warms up, it just dies. So I already checked the fuses, the relay for the AC under the hood, the high pressure switch. Those seem to be working fine. So I'll walk you guys through the procedure for this temporary fix. Most likely the cause of this is the magnet on the clutch. The clutch is wearing, so either the gap or a weak magnet. Regardless, that entire assembly is going to have to be replaced at some point, but this is a temporary fix, so I'll show you what this entails. Basically, you remove the clutch and remove one of the spacers, reinstall the clutch assembly.
If the clutch engages when you tap it, this is most likely your problem. Always remember safety first when jacking up a car. Make sure you use a jack stand in addition to your jack. Next, go ahead and remove your tire. This is where you will remove your fender liner using a panel popper and a pick or a screwdriver. Go ahead and carefully set it aside. Once you've removed the liner, you will expose your AC compressor and your AC clutch. All you need to remove this is a socket. I'm using my 3/8 impact gun with wobble extensions. Go ahead and remove the nut. Then slide off the AC clutch. As mentioned, this is a temporary fix. I will eventually have to replace the pulley, the clutch, and the magnet in due time. And this is what we're after. Here you can see me removing the washer. And finally, you will reinstall the clutch in reverse order. Carefully put back the clutch, the nut, and zip it down. Remember, do not over tighten this nut. As always, thanks for watching. If you guys like the video and want to support my channel, use my Amazon affiliate link found in the description, where I will earn a commission while you shop for the tools used in this project or any other products you may need. I really enjoy making these videos as I document my day-to-day automotive related repairs. I hope this video was helpful in getting your AC working again. Thanks again, and don't forget to comment and hit that like button.